An attorney is taking action on behalf of the families victimized by the Return to Nature funeral home. A class action lawsuit has been filed against John and Carrie Halford for their alleged negligence and mistreatment of nearly 200 bodies found inside a Penrose funeral home. KRDO 13's Tyler Cunnington is live in our newsroom tonight after speaking with some experts about the broader legal consequences the couple could be facing. Tyler.
Yeah, Heather, that lawsuit was filed by Richard Law on behalf of all those families being impacted by this ongoing investigation. It cites 13 different damage claims against the Halfords, and it's a culmination of dozens of families who are simply tired of waiting for someone to be held accountable in this tragedy.
If they think that they can avoid their liability here, if they think that they can avoid being held accountable, I'm afraid they're mistaken.
A class action lawsuit was filed Monday against John and Carrie Halford and their Return to Nature LLC. It cites claims of emotional distress, fraud, and violations of consumer protection, among others.
These families have described in several cases to me that this is singularly the hardest experience they have ever had.
That's been the case for Mary Simon, whose husband Daryl was identified by the El Paso County coroner late last week.
That's kind of what we're missing right now. You know, we're starting to get our loved ones back, but we're missing the accountability part.
It's a sentiment that so many families are echoing, and in one criminal lawyer's opinion, it will be coming.
We don't know what they are yet, but I can assure you state charges are forthcoming. Federal charges may be forthcoming.
As it stands, Colorado is the only state that does not require a license to run a funeral home. Matthew Soper is a state representative from the Western Slope, who's now pushing for that mandate to become a reality.
My goal is to live in a Colorado in which I don't ever have to read in the newspaper or watch on TV that another funeral home has been committing atrocities like this.
In the meantime, the Halfords will have 21 days from the moment they're served that lawsuit to make a defense claim.
I don't know how the defendants in this case will look a single family in the eye, much less 189 of these families, and have anything credible to say.
Now, we asked once again today what contact investigators have had with John and Carrie Halford, or if they even know about the couple's whereabouts. They replied that this is still a complex and ongoing investigation. Live in our newsroom, Tyler Cunnington, KRDO 13 Investigates.